Hello friends! Today we're making a crispy, cheesy Hasselback potatoes in your air fryer. Take washed 6 to 7 medium-sized potatoes and dry them out. Place them on a cutting board and start slicing them up. Here's a pro tip: use 2 cocktail straws or chopsticks on either side of the potato. They'll stop you from cutting all the way through, so you get that beautiful accordion effect. Next, grab a mixing bowl and place your sliced potatoes inside. Drizzle about 4 tablespoons of olive oil over the top. Season generously with salt, a pinch of black pepper, and your favorite potato seasoning mix. Now, roll up your sleeves and mix it all together. Let's get to know each other better. Write your city in the comments. I'm so excited to see where you're from. Love you all. Set the bowl aside for 10 to 15 minutes while we prep the fillings. Dice about 3.5 ounces, 100 grams, of ham into small squares. These will fit perfectly into the potato slices. Grate 4 ounces, 120 grams, of your favorite cheese. We're using American cheese here for that gooey, melty finish. Time to fire up the air fryer. Place the potatoes inside, making sure there's space between them for even cooking. Set the air fryer to 360 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius for the first 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, carefully take them out. Now, slide a piece of ham into each slice. If the ham is too big, just fold it in half. It's that easy. Pop the potatoes back in and reduce the temperature slightly to 340 degrees Fahrenheit, 170 degrees Celsius for another 15 minutes. 10 minutes in, open the fryer again and sprinkle that shredded cheese over the top. Let it melt into every nook and cranny of the potatoes. Close the air fryer and cook for another 3 to 5 minutes. And there you have it, crispy, cheesy Hasselback potatoes cooked to perfection. Carefully place them on a serving plate and sprinkle with fresh dill or parsley for a burst of freshness. Enjoy your meal and bon appetit. If you love this recipe, show your support by hitting like and subscribing. It means so much to me. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next episode.